How's it going, fellas? Welcome back to a trade recap video today. Um, let's just go over the news today that we had. So at 6:30 we had unemployment claims, and then at 6:30 we had Philly Fed Manufacturing Index. So unemployment claims came out bearish, and then Philly Manufacturing Index came out bullish. Right, and then we also have news at 4:05 p.m. But that really doesn't concern us because we trade in the mornings. Okay. So we're not going to go over the daily time frame just because if you've been following along, or if you trade USD JPY yourself, or if you just have fucking brain cells, you can see we're fucking bearish on the daily time frame, right? Also, on the 4-hour time frame, we're pretty bearish here, but on the 1-hour time frame, we're bullish, right? You can see that, hey, on the 4-hour, let's just draw this out just for consistency purposes, that hey, we come down, we tap into this, our 4-hour equilibrium, and then we continue higher. Alright, so this leads me to believe that we're pretty bullish, right? Also, I have this kind of faded out just because I didn't want it to interfere too much with my actual charting and stuff like that when I was taking trades. But we had this 1 hour for value gap, right? You see that come all the way through, fill it completely, and then we can extend higher. This leading me to believe that we're bullish, right? So from there, I could draw my equilibrium from this leg up to this high for a 1 hour equilibrium here, right? So this tells me that, hey, this is the discount, this is the premium, right? And then I could see that price before market opens at 6:30 when news dropped. We come down and then we tap. We don't really necessarily tap into discount, but we come close enough to where I thought it was valid, right? And then also off of that leg, we have this bearish fair value gap here, and then we also have this bullish fair value gap, creating an inverse fair value gap. So for me, I know that, hey, this is a really high confluential price range. Price is going to probably want to come back and retrace into it. And now you're probably asking, hey, Money Mose, why the fuck do you have two trades? That's because I didn't take two trades today, but this was like a mock trade that I had in the morning time. Right, so I've seen that, hey, we came into this super high confluential price range here, and then we respect it, get a break of structure. The only reason I didn't enter this trade here was just because it was pre-market, right? And I didn't want to trade before pre-market. But you could even like kind of eyeball and see that, we came into a discounted price range. I'm not going to draw it out, just kind of visualize that, somewhere around here is going to be the equilibrium of this range, right? So we come into the equilibrium of this range, then we also fill in this fair value gap and inverse fair value gap, respect it, break structure. I entered off of that. First take profit here. Like I said, it was a mock trade, so I didn't really have any other take profits, right? Now we can get rid of this. So going on to our actual trade, kind of similar to this one, right? I'm seeing that, hey, we come up, market opens, we start to fall back down, and then I also seen that, hey, we have this other pretty confluential price range here, right? Where's my little fucking thing? Right here. So we have this inverse fair value gap here, and we also have this fair value gap here, so I know that this is going to be pretty confluential and pretty high confluence price range here, right? So I've seen that we come down, we respect it because we don't close below it, right? And now what I'm looking for is a break of structure, right? And then even on this, you see that draw out the lows to the highs for this range. Equilibrium's right here, lines up with this high confluence range here. Wait for a break of structure. We get the break of structure right here, right? But I didn't enter off of this because we didn't break structure off of this candle. We broke structure off of this candle. Alright. and then the spread just filled me a little bit higher, so I got filled here. And then first take profits were here, second take profit was here, and third take profit was here. So honestly, not like a huge trade today. I mean, like it was 1 to 2, so it's not bad. But the reason I kind of had just short take profits today was just, you can kind of see like we're just like range bound as fuck. You know, like we're just, I mean, we did sweep out these lows here with this leg, but yesterday we were range bound all day. Today we were kind of in this range here, so I just kind of wanted to keep it short and sweet today. Not try to get too greedy, and you know what, it paid off. Took a dub. Not gonna consider the first one a dub, but you know, if you want to consider it a dub, you know, then technically two. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, learned something, drop a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.